Hello and welcome back to Leap Telecom. This is another section of our how-to tutorials for our Leap Cadence hosted PBX platform. And in this video, we're going to talk about menus and how to create menus and what they can be used for and all that good stuff. So let's start off by talking about what are menus. So a menu is what someone hears when they get to the phone system that plays a greeting that gives them options of things to do. Press 1 for sales, 2 for support, 3 for billing, 4 for our business hours, something like that. Now these can be any kind of things that you want, and they can go pretty much anywhere that you want. Now you can also nest menus together. So if someone clicks on 2 for support, then you can have another greeting that says, if you need support on product A, press 1. If you need support on product B, press 2. And then those can go to different ring groups. So you can create kind of skills-based routing based on the menu tree that you create and who you put into different groups that can answer different types of calls. So that's kind of the gist of what menus are all about. Now let's take a look at how we do this within the Cadence system. So here I have two menus that I've already created, a main menu and an after hours, and we'll talk about how to do that separation in just a moment. But if we click on our main menu here, we have a name that we want to call it, something that's going to make sense to us, a PIN number. So when you call in and you hear the greeting that is being played, you can type in the PIN number and change the greeting. So that's one way of doing it. Generally, that quality isn't going to be as good as if you were at a quiet location and you used a microphone and you recorded it and then uploaded that file. But if you do need to do it through your phone, you don't have any other way of doing it, then you can do it with that PIN number. Our first option is our failover. Where is it going to go if they don't do anything? So if they don't hit a key, where is it going to take them? So I'm just going to throw them into a mailbox. And then you have 0 through 9 and the star key. So what are these things going to do? Now, if you have some ring groups, you can set those up like I've done here. So I have a marketing ring group, a sales ring group. And if we just click on one of these, it will show us the different things that we have available. We can go directly to someone's phone, we can go to another schedule, we can go to another menu. So we can do all kinds of things based on those key presses. Now often 0 is going to go right to an operator or a receptionist. Star, if you have multiple levels of menus, you might want to say press the star key to return to the previous menu. So if this was a sub menu, we could say, okay, if they hit star, go back to the main menu. So that's the common way of doing things. And like I said, we can upload our greetings either through the web interface here, or you can use that PIN number. Now I did mention earlier, like the way I have things set up and the way I would normally set this up for a customer is that we have a main menu that is operational during business hours and a different menu that is for after hours. Maybe it goes to an answering service or just directly to a voicemail, or it plays a greeting and gives them a couple menus. You can branch that any way you want, and you're going to do that with schedules. So over here on schedules, we have our office hours schedule, and you can see I've already got mine set up here, my office hours schedule, which is going to be Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Yes, it is in military time. So anything after 12, add 12 to it. So 5 plus 12 would be 17. So our ending hour is 17. What is our time zone that we want this to be based on? What exceptions? So what days are we going to be closed, even if they're regular business days? So I have New Year's Day, 4th of July, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. And if this is a positive match, so it matches within these parameters up here, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to go to our main menu. Well, if it's outside of these hours, or it hits these exceptions. That'd be a negative result, and that is going to send them to our after hours menu. So that is how we set up menus within Kadence. It's pretty simple, and it allows you to do a lot of things. Like I said, you can nest groups, and then based on that, you can have ring groups. Based on those ring groups, you can have different people in there based on their skill set and who's going to do what. So we can have all these cool things going on, as well as being able to back up, go forward in menus, and go to any type of destination that's in the Kadence system. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and check that bell icon so you get notified every time we put out a new video. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.